Hello. For assignment number 1, we were asked to design a circuit in Multisim. To design this circuit, we were asked to choose any resistor and voltage values that exist in real life, and the circuit must produce a current between 1 amperes and 2.5 amperes throughout the circuit. Some calculations that were used throughout this is V equals IR. Rearranged for I, you get I equals V over R. And using this equation and a value of 20 volts, the total current running through the circuit will come out to 2.2222 amperes with the configuration that I've come up with. The configuration that I came up with has a total resistance of 10 ohms. The resistors in parallel have a total resistance of 2.4 ohms, and the 6.6 ohm resistor in series adds up to a total of 10 ohms for the total resistance of the circuit. Now let's go to Multisim and build it and show you. So first we're going to start with the ground. And then we can have a junction here. I think. We'll insert the voltage source. There's going to be 3 resistors in this. One resistor there. You can actually just copy it and copy it. Boom. Then you'll rotate that one, rotate this one. Okay. Oops. All right. Now that we have those in place, we can start to put everything together. All right. I'm going to connect the voltage source to this resistor. Oops. All right. So the circuit is built. We have the circuit grounded right here. We have the DC voltage source. We have 3 resistors. For the first resistor, I want to make these I want to make these come out to 6. Sorry, I was trying to remember exactly what I did, but if I do 6 and 4, and then using the formula for the equivalent resistance for resistors in parallel, you'll get 1 over 6 plus 1 over 4 raised to the negative 1, which comes out to 2.4 ohms, which I have shown right here. So the resistors in parallel have a total resistance of 2.4 ohms. So then for this one, to make it have a total equivalent resistance of 10 ohms, which I think is what I was going for. That's what worked out the first time I did it. So if I make this have a resistance of 6.6 ohms with a voltage source of 20, we can go ahead and read the voltage and current values right here and flip the current measurement to go that way, just to begin. So right there with the voltage of 20 volts, we get our current running through the circuit of 2.2222. If we want to see what our voltage and current is leaving these resistors, so what I1 and I2 are, we'll see that I1 comes out to be 888 milliamperes, if I'm not mistaken. It's just covered up. And then the I2 would come out to be 1.3333 amperes, which adds up to a total of 2.2222 amperes for the entire circuit. As you can see, once they've combined, it comes out to a 2.2222 amperes running back this way. Thank you, and that is my assignment number 1 for Multisim.